Hey guys, so let's discuss new problem from greedy algorithm, which is jump game 2. So this is the modified version of jump game 1, but here just we need to find the minimum jump to reach the last index. So how we can do, how we can solve it? Let's say you have one array, okay? Let's say you have an array 2 3 1 1 4. So here we will be working with the concept of range, okay? So let's say your first range is this one only, first element, okay? And then from here, how far you can go within this range? So 2 only, right? So and this is your index, let's say 0 1 2 3 4. So you can go to second index, till second index, okay? So let's say this is your L and R. So your next range will be L will be R plus 1. So from here it will start, okay? New R, new L, and second range will be how far you can go. So this is 2, second index. So from here to here, this one will be your second jump, okay? This one will be your first jump, this one will be your second jump. Now from here, how far you can go? See, you're at this first index, okay? So you can go to 1 plus 3, fourth index, okay, till fourth index, which is our last index. And from here 3, so 3 you can skip, okay? So what will be our new range? So this is L and this is R. So now our new LR range will be L equal to R plus 1. So from here, this one will be my new L, and this one will be my R, okay? Because from here, I can go to fourth, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 jump, right? And fourth index. So this is what we need to do. So we'll be working here with the concept of range, or you can say that we'll be maintaining max reach, okay? Or end. So now let's see how we can do this. So this is my array, okay? And here I'll take few variables like jump initially will be 0, and max reach, okay, maximum reach from that range will be 0, and end will be 0. That's it. Now iterate the array, okay? When you are iterating the array, initially your when I equal to 0, okay, I is pointing to this. This is 0 1 2 3 4 index, okay? So I is pointing to index 0. So what will be your max reach? I plus number of 0, so 2, okay? Max reach will be 2. Now I is equal to end. I is 0, end is 0, condition true. So this one will be your first jump, okay? From here you will take one jump, so jump plus plus, so jump will become 1, and end equal to max reach. So now max reach will become end. That is true, right? Because if this is your first range, now for second range, okay, it is going till 2, it's 1 and 2. So your end will become now this one, right? Max reach. So max end will become 2. We will change jump and end when I is equal to end. Means when we reach till the end of that particular range, okay? That time we definitely need to do jump plus plus, and definitely we need to modify our end index for the next range, right? So okay, I equal to 1. Now I equal to 1. So what will happen? Max range will be 3 plus 1 4. Yes, I will change it. And then I equal to end. No, my end is 2 and I is 1. So no, we will skip it. Now I plus plus. So I is pointing to 2. Now here, if you see 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, which is less than my max range. So I will not modify my max range. But I is equal to end. That condition is true. 2 equal to 2, right? So jump plus plus. So now jump will become 2. Okay, jump will become 2. And my end will become max reach. So this is 4. So now we are in third range, okay? Okay, now I is pointing to this 3. So if you check 3 plus 1, 4. I don't need to change my max reach. And is I equal to end? No, my end is 4 and I is 3. So no, now I is equal to 4. So this time 4 plus 4, 8. I can reach to 8, right? So here I will change it to 8. And then end will be, yeah, there is no condition on max reach, okay? So this one will become 8, and I is equal to end. Yes, condition true. So my jump will become 3 and end will become max reach. So this is 8, okay? Now next iteration, this condition will false, okay? I is less than number's length. So you will just return the jump. So my jump is 3. So that's it. Thank you.